Hey, if you're looking to make bookkeeping less of a headache, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Xero. It's a total game changer, especially with an Australian virtual bookkeeper like Bookkeeper. First up, what is Xero? Xero is cloud-based accounting software that makes tracking finances super simple. Access it anywhere, anytime with internet. No more digging through piles of paper. After you log in, you land on the dashboard, your financial command center. See your bank balances, outstanding invoices, upcoming bills, at a glance. Connect your bank accounts with a few clicks. Xero imports transactions daily. You stay up to date, no manual entry. Invoicing made easy. Create and send professional invoices in seconds. Fill in customer details. Add items or services. Hit send. Set automatic reminders for overdue payments. Expense tracking. Snap a receipt photo. Upload to Xero. It matches to the right transaction. No more shoeboxes of receipts. Bookkeeper can securely access your Xero. They handle reconciliations. They handle BAS lodgements. They manage the nitty-gritty so you can grow your business. Best part, work together in real time, anywhere in Australia. No more waiting on emails or mailed paperwork. Wrap up. Xero is powerful. Xero is easy to use. Team with Bookkeeper and get more time, more accuracy, less stress. Try it. See your business run smoother. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.